The secret to my happiness is inside of this little box. Ah! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is ChimereNicole. Welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you guys one of the items that I featured on my Instagram stories, and you guys had so many questions about it, so I decided to answer all of your questions in a YouTube video. But before we jump into today's video, don't forget to click on that notification bell so that you can be updated on all of the new videos coming to my channel very soon. So inside of this box, I showed you guys on my Instagram stories, you fell in love with this, and it is my bouquet from Rose Forever, and I fell in love with this box. I fell in love with this box. If you're new to my channel, you may not have noticed this, but typically in the background of a lot of my videos, there was a rose bouquet that was purple that I had for about a year, and I'm a huge fan of preserved flowers. They last forever. They look so pretty in my office, and I just fell in love with those. Instead of buying flowers every week for my home, these have been my go-to. So I found this company on Instagram, and they are based out of New York City. They're a little bit under a year old, and if you guys have seen these types of bouquets on social media, you know that they are such a pretty gift, and this has been the gift for the month for me. I have just fell in love with these. So you basically have 9 preserved flowers inside of a velvet black box, and they come in multiple colors, but of course I am a huge fan of red, so I decided to go with red for this bouquet. It is such a pretty staple in my office. I look at it while I'm working, and it just puts a really good smile on my face. So I wanted to show you guys what the bouquet looks like, give you a up and close look of the bouquet, and I also want to give you some information on the company as well as a promo code that I found for them. If you guys are, so this floral arrangement is by Rose Forever, and they recently launched in New York City. So the company is a little bit over a year old, and these roses are fresh and preserved, so they can last you for about a year. Now, I have been loving red. As you can see, red lipstick, red nails, you know, it kind of goes to my theme. So I decided to get the smaller box of the preserved roses, and inside this box there are 9 preserved flowers. And the great thing about this is I do not have to worry about changing my flowers. I don't have to worry about taking care of the flowers. They don't need any water. They don't need any direct sunlight. They will be perfectly preserved inside of this velvet black box, and I can move them wherever I want. I don't have to worry about taking care of them. This is all you have to do. Take the lid off, put it on your desk, put it on your table, put it on your dining room table, anywhere in the house, and this is what it's going to look like. Now, I've had preserved roses before, and they normally will last me up to a year. So I love that aspect of preserved flowers, and I also love that it gives you that fresh flower look without all the mess. So I decided to go with the smaller box. They do come in different colors, but again, red has been my theme for the season, so I'm going to stick with red. Also, they do have boxes that you can change. Instead of it being like the velvet black, you can get a different box color if you choose to, but the velvet black and the red, it really just pops. So that's what I decided to go with. So I was fortunate enough to reach out to the company, and they did give me a promo code for my subscribers as well as all of my Instagram family. So I'm going to leave that promo code down in the description box, as well as all of the information for the company as far as the direct link for this particular box of roses, and all of that information will be there as well. So that's it, guys. I hope I answered all of your questions from Instagram. If I didn't, of course, feel free to direct message me, and I will answer all of those questions in the event I didn't get all of that information in this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in my next video.